Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing how to make beetroot, carrots and ginger smoothie for glowing skin, hydrate dry skin, fight sign of anti-aging properties. So guys, before I start, I'm going to tell you benefits of the beetroot. Beetroot has a great source of fiber, vitamin B9, potassium, iron and vitamin C. Beetroot fights acne, can help in reducing acne scars, wrinkles, and dark spots, keep your skin nourished and hydrating. Secondly, I'm telling you benefits from the carrots. Carrots are particularly good source of beta, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They have a number of health benefits. Carrots contain natural oil that can help moisturize skin and protect it from sun damage. Carrots contain high levels of vitamin C, which are easily absorbed. This helps brighten the skin, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, makes your skin glow. And finally, I'm telling about the ginger. So ginger has a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps fight free radicals and addresses inflammation, even tone, calm soiling, and give you glowing skin. If you got recently bruised and cuts on your skin, gingers can help healing quickly and safely and keeps your skin healthy. For the beetroot, carrots and ginger smoothies, I'm taking 2 beetroots, 2 carrots and ½ inch of ginger. These are for the 3 glasses. If you like to make only 1 glass, you can reduce the amount of beetroots, carrots and ginger. And peel off the skin and wash properly. And cut everything into small pieces. Now put everything in the blender. Next, I'm adding some small glass of apple juice. If you don't want to add any juice, you can skip. Then grind it till it's turned smooth. Then add some ice cubes in the glass. Then pour the smoothie into the glass. Now our smoothie is ready. Then you can enjoy. So guys, you can make like this smoothie every day to make your skin glowing, hydrating dry skin, fight signs of anti-aging properties. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, likes and comments on my video. Till then, everyone take care. Bye-bye.